and it's welcome to the top three finishing drivers at the 2000 Italian Grand Prix. It's Michael Schumacher, Mika Hakkinen and Ralf Schumacher. Michael, many, many congratulations. It's your sixth win in the season, but you've not had one for 6 races. You've done it in front of your home fans, the Tifosi, so you must be delighted.
Yeah, I think delighted is the wrong word. I have no vocabulary for anything higher than that. I'm sorry, but I'm just happy. I'm just exhausted and yeah.
I'm not sure if you're aware, but this is your 41st victory, which puts you at equal second all time with Ayrton Senna. Do those records mean a lot to you?
Yes, it does mean a lot to me. Sorry.
Thanks, Michael.